Hey friends, today we're going to draw a spooky spell book.
And here's a quick preview of how our drawings turned out at the very end. Now, we're not going to show you the inside, but
It's a secret.
Yeah, it's a secret. But they've seen the thumbnail though.
Oh yeah.
But we're going to draw the spell book on a folding surprise so that when we open it, there's something really spooky on the inside.
Yeah.
And what are we using for this lesson?
Markers.
Yeah, to draw and color with, but you could use whatever you have. All right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
We're first going to fold our paper. And if you've done this before in another folding surprise, you could just skip ahead. If you haven't, though, you can follow along. We're going to take that top edge, line it up with the bottom edge, crease it down the middle, and then out to the... It's wrinkling again. There we go. We're going to fold our paper in half. And then we're going to take the top flap, line it up with the top edge, and then fold that down. Next, let's flip our paper over and repeat. We're going to take the top flap and fold it down. This is just a guide fold, so we can unfold it, flatten it out, and then flip our paper back over. So it should open like this. We also have our scratch paper to protect our table since we're drawing with markers. And we're going to flip our paper or rotate it this way so that it opens up to the left. Yeah, we're going to do it a little different. Now we're drawing our spell book, half of it on the left and half on the right, so that when we open it up...
Oh, it's like opening a book.
Yeah, and it's also going to be torn, our book, and it's going to tear our book in half. So first, let's use our markers, and we're going to draw the top of our book. We're going to, let's actually draw the side. We're going to draw it coming down the left side, like that. Then we're going to draw the top of the book. First, we'll draw it curving, and then we're going to draw it straight across to the other side. And I'm going to leave about the same distance that I left over here. Yeah, okay, now we're going to draw, over here on the left, we're going to draw the letter C. And we want the edge or the side of the C to line up with the edge of the book. Yeah, okay, and then we're going to draw this coming straight across to the other side and line up with the other line up here. That's awesome. Okay, now let's connect the side. And we can also draw a bookmark. Let's draw 2 lines coming down.
Oh no.
Oh, that's okay. I'm going to do that too.
Okay.
It's okay. I'll do it so it matches yours.
Okay.
So we've got 2 lines coming down for the bookmark, and then an upside down letter V right here. And then we're going to imagine this going behind the bookmark. If it goes through the letter V, you could draw another line there, but I'm just going to continue it over and connect to that extra line that we drew past. Yes, okay, now let's draw the pages in our book. We're going to match that curve right here and then continue over, but not all the way to the other side.
Okay.
Then we're going to draw it coming up. There's our pages. And that's the main part of our book. Now we can add all kinds of spooky decorations to this, and we're going to use our inspiration from Hocus Pocus.
Ooh.
And that has an eye on the book. So let's draw a spooky eye over here. We're going to draw a kind of rainbow line up and a rainbow line down. And then inside of this, we're going to draw a circle and a smaller circle for the highlight. And then we can color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. Ugh, it's an eye.
In the book.
In the book, it's gross. Now let's add even more details. We could draw a little latch over here that's keeping the book closed. We could add a little decoration inside. Then we could add, like, it's stitched together. We're gonna add some gross details, like it's made out of leather, but it's stitched. So we can add these crazy curves here. And let's add a crazy curve over the eye. And maybe one down here too. And then we got to add the stitches. So I'm going to draw these short little lines going across each of these extra lines that we added. We can do them over here. So we're going really fast. If you need extra time, remember you could pause the video. Now let's add more things. We could add little wrinkles over the eyes, or the eye. Yeah, one wrinkle on top and another on the bottom. It's kind of like the eyelids.
Yeah, it's kind of gross.
Yeah, it's really gross. And we could also add, let's just add circles. This could be little spots or things on the book. And I'm going to add just some swirls or decorations. And maybe one over here. Yeah, that's pretty gross. All right, there's our spell book. Now we're ready to open up our paper and we can flatten out the folds so that it's easier to draw on. Now let's extend each of the lines past the fold. So we're gonna extend these two down here and then that cover one and the top of the cover. And we want to make sure that everything we're drawing is in between these two folds.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so now we're going to draw some zigzags from the tear that our book is just torn apart. You can mix up these zigzags. So some of them are small and some big. Perfect. Now that looks really spooky.
Yeah.
Now let's extend this side too. So we'll draw those two lines coming over and these two lines. Now let's draw that same kind of zigzag connecting all of these lines together too. Now we need to draw the ghost coming out or escaping this.
Oh, yeah.
It's so cool. This is going to be a new favorite.
Yeah, it's like escaping the curse.
Yeah, the
or
curse,
something.
yeah, the curses, yeah. The really bad curses are getting away. Okay, now let's start with drawing a friendly ghost though.
Oh,
This
yeah.
is a friendly curse. We're gonna draw a smile, and then we could draw it really big. And our friends, you guys can change the funny faces on your ghost. I'm gonna add teeth and also a tongue, and then color in the middle. Yeah, then let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw an oval and color in for each eye. Now let's draw the ghost shape. We're going to draw the top of the ghost's head.
Ghost.
Ghost.
The ghost.
The ghost head. Yeah.
Ghost.
So upside down U. And then we're going to draw the hands coming out on the left and the right. And then we're gonna, oh yeah, the other side too. Then we're gonna draw the ghost body going into the book on the left side. So we got that side, and then we're gonna draw this side over there. And I'm getting a little closer as it goes in. Yeah, just like that. Okay, now let's draw another ghost. And this one, I'm gonna draw maybe not as happy. So we got the mouth. I'm gonna add teeth, top and bottom. Then we can color in the inside of the mouth. That went really fast. So you guys can change it too. You don't have to try to match my same ghost face. Then we're gonna draw the eyes. And then we can draw the head. Let's do the same thing. We'll draw the upside down, letter U. Then we're gonna draw the arms sticking out. And we're going to draw the body coming into this side of the book. So we've got the curve here, and then we're going to draw this curve coming in. Let's draw a couple more ghosts. Maybe one over here. I'm going to draw this one kind of just peeking out of, I'm going to draw it kind of frowning. And then, oh, or maybe it's just doing a spooky mouth. And then we can draw, yeah, it's saying boo. And then we draw the eyes. And then we can draw, we'll repeat the same step, draw the top of the head. And I'm going to connect it right into the book. So this one's barely peeking out. And then on this side, oh yeah, you could even do it without the arm if you want. I'm going to draw a little arm and then come in.
It's like waving.
Yeah, I like that one. That one's awesome. Let's do another one that's barely peeking out over here. This one I'm going to draw a so-so face and then maybe eyes that are kind of closed too. And then this one is behind. So we're drawing with overlapping if this is too tricky, our art friends could leave this off.
Yeah.
And you could even add different things coming out of your spell book. Maybe a witch or a black cat. You could draw pumpkins and bats. Oh, that would be really
That
cool.
would be really cool.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
I'm gonna add a mustache on this one.
Okay, good. Now let's do one more thing. We're gonna make the book more 3D by adding the back of the book. So I'm drawing more zigzags next to it and going behind and then out here too and connecting in. So it looks more 3D, like the ghosts are actually coming out of the book. And then I'm doing the same thing over here on this side. All right, we're all done drawing, but we still need to
Color it.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, so pause the video and take time to color your drawings. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Awesome, we did it! We finished coloring our spooky spellbook and it looks awesome. I really like this texture that we added to the pages.
Yeah, me too. It looks awesome.
Yeah, all right, you ready to show our friends?
Yes.
Okay.
3.
Are we gonna count down from 3?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
Okay.
3,
3,
2,
2,
1,
1.
boo! Now you guys can pause the video to match our same coloring, and you could also add these little green smoke swirls if
Yeah.
you want. But you could add anything.
Yeah, like bats or even pumpkins.
Yeah, or more ghosts.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it looks so cool.
It looks awesome. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a spooky spellbook.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we hope you have extra fun adding more things to the inside. And we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.
Ooh.
Don't scare them.